In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size of your Lucidchart diagram. If you've ever tried to export or print a diagram and found that it doesn't quite fit the page, this quick walkthrough will help you dial in the exact page size you need. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your diagram looks great everywhere it's shared. First, open your browser and head to Lucid. Once you're in, open the Lucidchart diagram you want to adjust. Any document will work for this, whether it's a flowchart, an org chart, or a system diagram. It's a good idea to make sure you're working on the correct version of your diagram, especially if you're preparing it for export, sharing, or printing. With your diagram open, move your cursor over the canvas and right-click anywhere on the open space. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. From the menu that appears, select Document Settings. This is the central place for controlling the overall document properties, including the page size. In the Document Settings panel, look for the page or canvas size options. You'll typically see presets like letter, legal, tabloid, A4, and A3, which are perfect if you're preparing a print-friendly version. If you need a specific size for a slide deck, a poster, or a particular export requirement, you can switch to a custom size and enter exact dimensions. Pay attention to the units shown. If you prefer inches, millimeters, or pixels, select the one that matches your workflow or the specs you are given. If orientation options are available, choose portrait or landscape to match the way your content flows. As you change the size, remember that Lucid doesn't usually resize your shapes automatically. It simply adjusts the page boundaries. If parts of your diagram now fall off the page, zoom out to see everything and reposition or scale your content so it sits comfortably inside the new page size. This helps avoid unwanted clipping when exporting to PDF or images. The best part is that these settings apply immediately, so you can see the result right away. If you're aiming for a clean export, use the updated page size as your guide while you tidy up spacing and alignment. And that's it. You've gone to Lucid, opened your diagram, right-click to access document settings, and change the page size. With this small adjustment, your diagrams will be presentation-ready and print-friendly every time. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.